Hello and welcome back to another session of Richard Katzman fly tying. I have a large bait hook which is a size 8. As you can see, it's got two barbs up on top here and it's got the one down near the point. I just mashed the one near the point and now I'll continue mashing these on top, and we'll just set this up in the vise here. Right, now I'm going to take some dark oval thread, and this is a very flat thread, as you can see, and I'm going to start by dressing the shank here. Okay, and that doesn't take up much space, and it doesn't add any bulk to the hook. I'm going to slide in a tube so that I don't stick myself, and this is a fairly decent size thick hook, and we're going to put a tail feather on here, and I'm just going to snip off a few of the fibers at the back so I get a little bit of a brush back there, or comb. Bring this back up here. And now I'm going to take some after feathers from this orange cape that we had, and I'm going to throw those in to give it some what I call swimmability. And I'm going to take this Pettigene, this clamp, and I'm going to pull this down into the clamp, this feather. Take this clear bull clip, place that over the top of the clamp, and cut off both ends. And now we'll bring this up, cut off the stem. Now I'll take this very fine needle and put a nice green hot glue end on, and we're going to take the thread. I'm going to separate that into two. Okay, and we're going to feed this up. Get my thread on either side and take the clamp out. And now we're going to turn the bobbin clockwise. And you can see okay, and this is going to be our body of the fly. Okay, I'll put in a 1/2 inch knot. Now I'll take my Velcro brush and we'll just pull out the fibers. And we'll take this Swiss straw in orange. And we'll take out a black cape here, and it looks like so. The feathers, and this is from a hen, and I'll just pull back the fibers. And pull back the tip. Okay. Go ahead and put a 1/2 inch knot in. And now I'll take my scissors and we'll just go and rub the sharp part of the scissor along the fibers. And what this does is it gets them to lay back alongside the stem. And I'll just my thread to the side, and I'm going to add this to the front. Okay. Okay, and we'll turn this over, and I'll reach in as close as I can to the stem and the shank of the hair, and I'll pull back the fibers, and we'll go ahead and finish off a head here, and I'll put in a 1/2 inch knot. Okay, and we'll pull back the straw, and we'll pull the straw straight up, and I'll cut that off. And now I'm just going to put in a whip finish. Okay. Cut off the thread. And we'll go ahead and put in a couple of eyes. I think we're going to put in we'll put a couple of red eyes on there. And we'll turn this over onto your side. And we'll put a dab there. And I'll take my little knife here. Okay. And we'll put an eye there. And we'll turn this over. And I'll take some more super glue, put a dab there. Okay. And I'll set that down right there. Turn it over. Alright, I'll take my hardener and I'll put a couple of drops there. Turn my light on so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. And I'll put another drop on the bottom here. Another dab on top. Okay. And go ahead and put a little drop of hardener. And don't forget to put your cap on your super glue or it won't be too super. Okay, and now I'm going to take a homemade bodkin, a little larger one, because the eye on here is fairly large. Run that down through, make sure you clean your bodkin after you use that. Okay, undo the fly, and there it is. Nice movement, pretty fly. And I'm calling this the Sterling. It's a very, very nice fly. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on my picture down at the right hand lower corner of the screen and then click on the bell and you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And I look forward to seeing you on our next upload. Until then, have a great day and tight lines.